What's up, everybody? What's going on, everybody? You know, this is your boy right here. This is my gamer channel right here. Y'all welcome to go to it. Justice54 is where I play most of my video game plays at this channel right here. So you mostly go to it, check it out, you know, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification for my channels and stuff like that. Basically, this is my channel, the Spiritual Journey channel you see up here. That's what I do. A lot of reels, little videos of spiritual stuff like that there. Just, you know, then James Unscripted. So what I'm going to do here today is show you how I do my video. How do I editing them, my videos. I hope my editing software do good. I have a lot of stuff that goes in the cloud and it don't download everything down, so it's always be a problem, whatnot. But we're gonna try it. This is Wondershare Filmora. No, I'm not getting paid for it, but this is, I'm telling y'all, I pay like what, $50-some a year for this right here. Monthly membership to use some of the special features, like $19 a month. So basically, this is it right here. So basically what I do right here, I go and import now here's my intros. Different intros that I already saved. So I'm going to get my intro right here. And so it pop up here. So I'm going to go here, basically, video, and then say videos and XSplit. I use an XSplit broadcaster to record my stuff. And I go here and get the video out. And the video I'm getting is going to be this video right here. This is the one to record right now. This is the video, and I'm going to put it right over. You know what, y'all? I'm so sorry. I'm just, okay. I'm not even show it. I'm not even show it. But see, this right here, I got my XSplit broadcaster right here, right? Now I take the video, and drag it right over here. All right. What I say right here, like I go to my import, and you see I got YouTube videos. These right here is all of my intros. Gaming intro, James gaming intro. This is based my intro y'all be seeing. Trucking intro. And then I put it up on there. Alright, so when I got my 2 videos up here, so basically I just drag everything down. I always do it 19 by 20, 1920 by 1080. Now usually 60, whatnot. Then I take it and I go right here to the audio, and I kind of had to put this down because it is kind of loud when you play the intro. So right here, I take the video. This is the video I'm doing right here. You know it's your boy Big Country. So I take the video and I slide it down there. Okay. Now I do have to put this up because it is low. What's up, everybody? What's going on, everybody? You know it's your boy Big Country. I am James. This is my channel, James Uncensored, and we doing a series of. I think I'm gonna start this series of you F around and find out. I'm just gonna show y'all steps how I edit my videos and stuff and all that. I am James, series of you F around and find out that. I'm sorry, I really messed up on that. So we're gonna delete all this off and do all this over, okay? Because we did messed up. Alright. So I ain't did videos in a while, y'all, and I'm trying to get back into it, so I apologize on that. So you go to this line right here. So what I usually do, I take the volume here, because I got that intro real loud. So okay, that's what I try to get it between here and this here when I do the volume. Okay, so I take the next video and I put right here. All right, then we go to transactions. And my favorites, so you got different transactions you can do, overlays, stuff like that. There different type of transactions you can do. I have favorites that I deal with for right now. So go to my desire, put that there. Then I take this and I stretch it to about 1.15. So when you go to this right here, this is how it's going to speak. What's up, everybody? To give it a smooth type of, goes into the next video. So while I'm doing that, I'm looking at this. It's on this right here. So I'm gonna turn it. I want to turn the volume up some. My channel, James Uncensored, because I want it to be that people can hear it. A series of. I think I'm gonna start this series of you F around and find out that people who voted for Donald Trump now they seeing they made a mistake. Now, that's what I want to get it to. For all the opportunity. All right. Now, once I do all that, I'm going to effects. So stickers, I found my bag of stickers. All right. I'm gonna put the mouse right here when it blend in, right? Then I'm gonna go off a little bit to right here. And what's up, everybody? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Big Country. I am James. This is my channel, James Uncensored. And we doing a series of, I think I'm gonna start this series of you F around and find out. Now, for that, we can go to text. And we can do the own text, or they got different type texts. You can make up a text. Stuff like that there. Different type text, training text or something like that there. So I'm gonna look at different type of texts that I think look good. So I think this probably look okay, right? I put that there, click on it, and I say F around. Why it's not showing? Something is not right, y'all. It's not showing. F around. Fine. Now we're the basic. F around. Okay, F around. And find out. Okay, naturally we have to get it on the stream, right? So we use this and try to, pretty sure you could do better, but this is what we want to use right now, okay? And stuff. So you can add some effects to it if you want. Shit. We got a network. You can use some effects if you want on it. This is the effects we got right now. But I'm just going to use that. So when you comes in on it, it'll do this right here. You F around and find out that people, okay. Now, what I will do this right here, all right, for the stickers, I will put this up and put that there, all right, and put it over here and say I go up here like this so it can. What's up, everybody? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Big. But I will do a little, hold a little longer. Big Country. I'm James. This is my channel. I'll do something like that. And all right. And then I don't want to go through all of it. They made a mistake. For all the opportunity African American community was trying to warn 88%. Somebody asked me, Jane, why do you always say 88% of African American community? All right. So to make this video short, we is going on 9 minutes. So what I will do is going to the end, right? So I would probably, for the sake of making this short, I'll probably do this right here, right there. A little long, and I would bring the thing over so it could go. But y'all to fight while we sit back and watch. Tell me what you think in the comment section, y'all. Like a stride, hit the bell notification, y'all. Peace. All right. And then I'll take my outro. I will put here, and then and that's what I would do on that. And I'll go to export, and basically, I would try to think of a title on it. I will try to think of a title. So I will go right here and I did it of a couple things. So I got my little thing right here to talk to. Angry. Republican voters exploded on GOP. So I would have that title so it would export. So basically they export to that file I was telling you about. That file I was telling you about, like videos and YouTube videos. This way it's gonna end up going. See it right there? When they upload, it'll come right here. So after that, I takes it and I upload to YouTube by using ChatGPT and some other things to get my titles, to get my description, my tags, even my thumbnail. So I'm gonna pause this right now till they upload it. Okay, it done uploaded to my file. At one time, you could have uploaded to TikTok or YouTube, but they stop it. So you only upload it now to TikTok. And so that's I'm sorry, y'all. My computer acting stupid. So that's the bad thing about it. But it will do the TikTok size thing so you can have a TikTok video on it, but I don't never really do it, and all that. So basically I just cancel it and all that. So we don't show this right here, this 13 minutes and stuff. Here's the video right here. And you can change it up. Here's the video right here. This right here, you want this the audio part right there on it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do to upload it on the next video. I'm gonna show you what I do to upload it and do everything to get it published and all that. Okay. So I hope y'all stay with me this long. I'm sorry the video is over 14 minutes, but it's hard to make it short when you're trying to say how you do your process when you do videos, you edit it and all that. I wish I could get the window share, but I have to somehow contact them and say what the problems I had. One thing about window share, when you do contact them, they kind of get you back. So other than that, niggas, I'm gonna have the video showing y'all the process of posting. Other than that, like and share the video, hit that bell notification, y'all. Peace out.